Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the inner door panel on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new inner door panel for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's inner door panel provides structural support and helps contain the water during the wash cycle. If the inner door panel becomes damaged or warped, the door may not seal properly, causing water to leak during the wash cycle. Since we will be working with the dishwasher's electrical components, disconnect power to the dishwasher. Note this repair can be completed while the dishwasher is installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Using a T15 torque bit, remove these 10 screws from around the perimeter of the door, holding the front panel in place. Then, while supporting the panel, close the door without engaging the latch. Gently tilt the panel forward and disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Then, lift the front panel up and away from the arm hinges. Using a small flat-headed screwdriver, gently depress the locking tab on the electrical connector and disconnect it from the dispenser. To remove the detergent dispenser, insert a putty knife between the bottom 3 metal tabs, using a flat-headed screwdriver to help create space for the putty knife to pass through. Then, pry on one of the side tabs while gently applying pressure to the dispenser. A decent amount of force may be necessary to ensure the tab does not lock back into place. While maintaining pressure, pry the opposing side tab. Then, push the dispenser through the opening and open the door and retrieve it. Then, using a pair of pliers, remove the 2 clips from the wire, holding it to the inner door panel. Now, using a T20 Torx bit, remove the 2 screws that hold the control bracket to the inner door panel. Then, set it on the ground, being careful as it is still connected by electrical connectors. Now, remove the 2 screws holding the vapor barrier in place using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Then, gently flex the barrier in the center while pulling to clear the hinges. Using a 3/16" driver, remove these 5 screws holding the lower door seal in place. Next, open the dishwasher's door and remove the lower door seal. Now, pull on the door cable to unhook the cable from the right door hinge. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the ground wire from the hinge. Next, open the door and remove these 2 Torque 20 screws. Next, pull on the door cable to unhook the cable from the left door hinge. Then, with the door open, remove these 2 T20 Torque screws. While holding the hinges in place, slowly close the door till you can pull the inner door panel up and off of the dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new inner door panel, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the new inner door panel to both hinges and set it into place. Then, reinstall the 4 T20 Torque screws. Then reattach both door cables to the door hinges. Align the new door seal to the base of the door so that the 3 tabs in the screw holes are in line with the door. Finally, we are going to tape the lower door seal in place. With the dishwasher's door closed, reinstall the 5 screws that hold the lower door seal in place. Now, reinstall the vapor barrier by inserting one side, gently flexing it, and inserting the other side. Then, align the screw holes on the vapor barrier to the screw holes in the hinges and reinstall the 2 screws. Now, reinstall the 1/4" screw that holds the ground wire to the front panel. Then, slide the wire guard back onto the vapor barrier. Align the screws to the holes on the control bracket to the top of the inner door panel and reinstall the 2 torque 20 screws. Then, open the door and remove the tape holding the lower door seal in place. Now, align the dispenser to the opening in the door so that the detergent compartment is closest to the inside of the dishwasher and press until it snaps into place. Ensure that all of the metal locking tabs are correctly seated behind the retainers on the dispenser. Reinstall the wire clips into the retainers on the inner door panel by aligning and pressing into place. Then, insert the wire back into the retainer and reinstall the electrical connector. Now align the hangers on the panel to the arm hinges on the door and gently slide the panel into place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector. Now, align the screw holes on the panel to the screw holes on the door, being sure that the locking mechanism seats beneath the panel. Start by installing the 2 top corner screws, bearing in mind that the 4 larger screws belong on the top row. Then, while supporting the panel, reinstall the remaining screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.